as I explained, today we're gonna explain the DTS Monaco engineering software. It's very important software because it's allow you to make the coding and the programming offline on most of Mercedes-Benz, especially the new Mercedes-Benz, like 2012, 13, 14, and up to 2020, 21, 22. So today I'm gonna explain for you how to start to use the first step to start, how to open, how to make the coding, to make the flashing. And after we're gonna take an example of a car, we're gonna use, we have already set up for Mercedes 205, 2014. So we're gonna upgrade the light module from 2014 to be 2018, from normal light to LED or xenon light. So we're gonna explain the steps one by one. Also, we're gonna explain for you the wiring diagram changing. So as you know, if you want to make change some light, you need to change the wiring diagram. Also, we're gonna explain for you. I guess it's gonna be a very good class, and it's very important for your business. You know, the DTS Monaco software is not easy at all, and it's not so popular to use. It's only a few people around the world that can use it. Every country has only some specialists can use the software, but today we're gonna explain the software for the first time. It's a good opportunity for all of us, for me, for you, for all of us to learn more and more about the software. And I guess if you get some knowledge, you're gonna make a good business. You're gonna have like a good boost for your performance, for your own performance in this business, especially on the industry of programming and cars and vehicles around the world. I want to welcome you from all around the world. We have people here from different countries. So welcome to the Diatronic class online team. Let's start. First of all, I'm gonna show the plan of the class. So let's open the worksheet to show you what we're gonna learn today. First, we have the introduction. We're gonna explain what's the software. I already done. We're gonna explain how to open and how to make short test. Because first of all, you're gonna read the DTC, the errors, and the faults. After, I'm gonna show you how to read each module and read the ID and the software inside. You know, the basic of this software, it's to deal with each modules apart. That's mean if you want to make like coding and programming, you don't need to make coding programming for the whole cars or the whole module. You can get in contact only with one module and work on one by one. So we're gonna explain now how to get in contact with the module, how to read the software inside, the ID inside, and the coding inside, because this is what we need later on to make the module replacement and to make the retrofit later on. Let me explain first. I start. If you have any question, I give you like 10 minutes so you can raise up your hand. I can get the question and we continue. Because as you know, this class is not easy. It's professional class. So if everybody asks together, some people will be distracted and they cannot focus on the class. Okay? So please, first of all, if anybody has question, please raise up your hand. You have an option on the Zoom. You can raise up your hand and I give you the permission to ask the question. Okay, let's open this software and to start. As you see, this is the DTS Monaco software. You have different versions. Sometimes you find 8.14, 8.16, and 9.02. Most of them are similar. Only some options they've been added, or the database is the most important. I wanna put two lines behind big word. As I told you from the beginning, we are working offline coding, offline software. That means everything as a database, you should have it in your laptop before you start working. That means the project file, that means the communication protocol and the flashing and the coding should be saved on your laptop before you start using the software. Somebody will ask how I can get those softwares, how I can those database. You can get from the world of Mercedes. That means from online, from us, from different people who already have this database. And most of the ready software of DTS Monaco, they already have this database. But some people, they have more coding, like more files. You can buy from them the files. Also, we have some files, very important, because we work on many cars per year, so we get our own database. In the future, after you learn this class, you will have now the possibility also to build your own database, because every time you have a car, you can connect the DTS Monaco and you can read the specs of the car. What I mean is the specs, read the module ID, the software of this module, and the coding of this module. This is what we need to work on the DTS Monaco. Is that clear, guys? I want to ask you now, is everything clear? Because if you don't understand now, you cannot understand later on. So,
Yeah, can you repeat that part one more time, please? Sorry, you cut out.
Okay. Which part?
The software that we need, the files. You were mentioning the files, and you said you need these files to start, and then you kind of cut out.
As I mentioned before, this is offline software. That's mean you are not connecting to online server to get the database. Everything you need should be already have it on your laptop. If you ask where I can get, you can get from us, from online people who's selling the database for Monaco, or you can build, and more extra, build your own database. How to build your own database? You can, every time from now, after you get learn on this software, each time you have a car, you connect the DTS Monaco and you read the information of the car and you save on your laptop. I'm gonna show you how to do it right now, but this is you should put on your head. If you don't have a good database, you're gonna be weak on your DTS Monaco. That's mean as much as you can later, you have to buy database or you have to build database. You buy or you build is up to you. If you have time to spend on building the database, it's fine. If you don't have time, you just buy it. It's clear, Hector?
Very clear. Thank you.
Okay. So let's start. This is a software. Just double click. You have this warning. You are already trained on the software, and it's all all your work is your own responsibility. That's normal. Okay, here we go. You can see here you have edit, start execution mode, and all of that. First, to start work on the car, you have to open a workspace. That's mean, because as I just mentioned, it's offline software. That's mean you should have already workspace for different car. What's the car I have today? It's 205 car, right? And so I open the workspace. Okay, hold on. You look down. What do you have? 205, 253 series. I already have this project. How I can get this project? Can you please show us the folder of database? Please move slowly. You go to computer, C file, open shell C, program data, Mercedes-Benz, softing, program data, softing, diagnostic toolset, DTS project Daimler. Here we go. You see? This is a database. Usually we buy it from the beginning before you start. You're gonna start the DTS Monaco, all saved in this folder. You have all the car series here. It's clear?
Yes.
Okay. So everything is already saved. Okay. We close, we back to the software. So first I open the software. Second, I open the workspace. I pick which type of car I want to work on it. Here I have 205. This is my car for today. So I look up. There you have the choice number 1. It's Kurztest. This is a word is a German 205253. That means it is diagnostic. If I want to just diagnose the car, I go to the first choice. The second choice is flash browser. This is if I want to make flashing. Okay, so take a note. The first one is read information, read DTC. The second one is if I want to make flashing job or programming job, I go to the second choice. Okay. Okay, let's go to the first one. Perform a project update. We hit on yes. Perform an ECU update. Also, I click yes. Okay, you can see you have here the battery voltage meter. Our battery is 13.1. This is a VIN number, and this is the odometer. We have odometer here because we are working on bench. Okay, the first one is curse stats. That's mean we make short test for all the car. This is the ID. It's gonna recognize each module what have as ID software and hardware. We need this for later on for programming and for retrofit. This is if you want to read the full coding, not only the ID. I mean, this is in this, and you have option here to read the full coding, and you have the option to fill the detailed DTC. Number 4, you have like a diagnostic option, everything like hard reset, fault memory, and some identification, ECU reset. Also, you can find in this option. Variant code, this means in this option, you can read the actual coding of each module. This is what we need properly in this class to know. Also, this is some extra options, like you read the hex files. Usually they don't use too much the extra options. So we have the first 5 options or menu. We focus on it. This is what most needed during the job or during the process of programming or coding. It's clear? I repeat again, okay, guys? First one, read full diagnose. I just click on start and wait to diagnose all the car.